Did Cpen actually listed today on BitMart? So that's the question on the lips of everyone. So I woke up with the news flying about that Cpen have been listed on BitMart. So when I went to the BitMart account, I discovered that trading was actually going on, and it looks shocking and very surprising because listing supposed to be on the 10th of this month. That's just about 2 days to this time. How come trading is going on? So one thing I'm very sure of is that it's quite unusual for trading to start before the actual trading or listing date. It's quite for my 10 years or in crypto space, I've not had issues like that before, but something is possible. There may be a sort of internal trading. Such practices do occur in some exchange that before the listing, trading may actually can be done internally. So I think I've had that before. So now this is what I also discover. If you go to your BitMart account, you discover that the trading feature on Cpen has actually been removed. So some people have actually sold their Cpen because of this thing that happened today. You can see from here, this person have actually sold his Cpen. Look at this BitMart account. So if you come to the trading here, if you check before, if you search for Cpen, you're going to see Cpen. You can see it's no more there. The trading has been removed. Then if you also proceed to your assets, so from your assets, you can see this shows that something has actually happened. You can see the price here. So if I go here, before you're going to see the pair between Cpen and USDT here, but they have removed it. So the trading has actually stopped. So two things I think are possible. There may be internal trading of Cpen. Then number two, they might try to actually test run the trading for Cpen, which I think is unlikely. Or the third part, there may be a kind of a glitch from their own back end there. You get the point? So from all indication, the trading that we saw earlier have actually stopped. Everything is back to normal. You get the point? So let's hope and see. Maybe there will be any update from Cpen, and I will get you updated as soon as we get more updates. So do want to subscribe, like this video, and more importantly, join our Telegram channel for alpha projects that can give you good USDT. See you at the top.